Generate e-way bill details from Tally ERP9. GST Council has introduced e-way bill, and as per this new regulation, supplies with a value above rupees 50,000 should be accompanied with an e-way bill or an invoice containing the e-way bill number. Tally ERP9 provides options to capture information required for an e-way bill. You can export this information in the JSON format and upload it directly to GSTN portal to generate an e-way bill. When you upgrade to Tally ERP9, e-way bill related features are enabled by default. You can set the threshold value beyond which an e-way bill needs to be generated for an invoice. Let us record a transaction and see how the details required for generating an e-way bill are captured. Record your sales transactions as earlier. When the invoice value exceeds the set threshold limit, Tally ERP9 identifies that the transaction requires e-way bill and enables the fields to enter the transportation details. Here you can enter the mode of transport and details of the transporter. If you use own vehicle for transportation, the vehicle number can be captured here. In case any mandatory information is missed out, an alert is displayed. You can enter the missing information. The information required for e-way bill generation can be grouped into two parts. Part A captures details like voucher type, number, party, and goods. Part B captures transportation details recorded earlier. Tally ERP9 will auto-export the details in the JSON format when the voucher is saved. After exporting, the e-way bill information screen appears to enter the e-way bill number. Log in to the e-way bill portal, click e-way bill and then click Generate Bulk option. Upload the JSON file exported from Tally ERP9 and click Generate. An e-way bill number is generated. Enter the e-way bill number and date in the e-way bill information screen. Once you save, the e-way bill number is updated in the invoice and will appear in the printout of the invoice. Tally ERP9 also supports export to the Excel offline utility provided by the department. There is an option to disable auto export of e-way bill details. If you have disabled this option, you can use the export for e-way bill report to export the details. This report will show you the transactions that are not yet exported as well as the transactions that are already exported. It also shows the transactions with missing details. You can enter these details and the updated transactions will move to Ready for Export bucket. Click Export for e-way bill. All the ready to export invoices are exported to a single JSON file. Upload this file to get unique e-way bill numbers for each invoice in the file. You can update e-way bill numbers for multiple invoices in a single screen. Go to the Update e-way bill information report and enter the e-way bill number and date for each invoice. In short, Tally ERP9 simplifies e-way bill management and identifies invoices that need e-way bill, alerts you and helps you find any missing details that are mandatory for e-way bill, exports e-way bill information to a JSON file for one or multiple invoices at a time, records e-way bill number for each invoice, and keeps your GSTR1 e-way bill information and books in sync. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Also, check out our other video on consolidated e-way bills.